Hi everyone, today I am making vada pav. I have taken here 7 to 8 potatoes, 1.5 onion, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies, pav or bun, red chili powder, salt and dhania seeds. 2 tablespoons of dhania seed I will roughly grind it and mix it with the chili powder. Let's cut the potatoes into 2 halves. Now let's do the cooking. Leave the potatoes for boiling. Add in 2 glasses of water. On the gas and let this cook till 2 whistles. I have nicely peeled the potatoes. Here I have my crushed garlic and green chili. I have taken here 1.5 onions finely chopped and some coriander seeds and red chili roughly crushed. I'll mix all this with the salt in my potatoes. Let me first smash the potatoes. Add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil be completely heated. Add in the finely crushed dhania and the red chili powder. Mix it well with the oil. Add in the finely chopped onions. Give it a good mix. Fry the onions till they are tender. Now add in the crushed garlic and green chili. Mix everything together. Add in the potatoes. Salt according to your taste. Half teaspoon of haldi. Give this a good mix. Mix till all the onions and garlic completely absorbs in the potatoes. My potatoes for my batata vada is ready. So let's do the frying. I add in 1 cup besan or gram flour, half cup water, half teaspoon salt. Then give it a good mix. My besan paste is ready. So let's fry the batata. Make a round shape. Nicely dip it in the besan and slowly leave it. Keep the gas on low flame and let it become brown on both the sides. My potato vadas are ready, so I take them out. Let's serve them with the pav. Make some crispy besan fry. Dip your fingers in the besan and just sprinkle it in the oil. Crispy besan fry is ready. Frying some green chilies, which goes very good with the vada pav. The chilies needs just few seconds to get fried. Add little salt to the green chilies. Now let's make the chutneys for the vada pav, red chutney and green chutney. For the red chutney, I have here dry coconut, which I have cutted, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, salt, red chili powder, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Let's fry the peanuts. Fry the peanuts for 2 to 3 minutes. The peanuts are nicely fried, so I take them out. Fry the garlic till it turns brown. The garlic are nicely fried and take them out. Add in the dry coconuts and fry till they are brown in color. The coconuts are slowly turning brown. The coconuts have completely become brown, so I take them out. Add all the ingredients together in the jar for grinding. Add in the 2 tablespoons of chili powder and salt according to your taste, and grind it. My chutney powder is ready. I've taken here 1 cup dhania, half cup pudina, half lemon, 2 pieces of garlic, 7 to 8 peanuts, 3 chilies and salt for taste. Now we are going to grind this. I've grinded my pudina. Black salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Half a lemon juice. Take a pav. One side add in the green chutney. The other side add in the red chutney. Crispy besan, 1 vada. My vada pav is ready. Thank you. Enjoy.